When you have radical expressions that do not have the same radicand, you need to simplify each of these so that they do have the same radicand before you can combine them. So the way you do this is you go ahead and split it up into different factors. So I would break this one up into two. The square root of 4 and the square root of x. If you see what I'm doing here already, that now I've separated the square root of x. That's going to be the same radicand as this middle term here. So we're not going to need to do anything there. And what we're probably going to want to do over here is create the square root of x as well. So we'll break it into 36 and the square root of x. Now we have each radical expression having the square root of 6. So x, or not the square root of 6, but the square root of x. X is the radicand, therefore we can combine them. Before we combine them though, we can simplify each of these coefficients in front because these are perfect squares. So square root of 4 is 2 minus square root of x minus, this is perfect square, which is 6. Now we have all the coefficients. Let's combine them. So this will be -7, -5. So remember that you can combine each of these only if the index and the radicand are the same. If you don't have the same radicand, you can always factor things out to obtain the same radicand, then you can combine the coefficients.